best player of the game, Myla Pablo with 16 points. Myla, how does it feel lang din being able to be back in the finals with Petrogas this time?
Siyempre po sobrang happy na nakabalik po kami sa finals. Actually, for Brooke talaga to sa finals. Kasi you can see naman, the two conference talaga is grabe yung ginawa niya this kind two conference. Sabi nga namin, the team building para kay Brooke itong finals na to. Pero ayun nga, nagtulong-tulong kami na makuha namin itong finals na to. Also, the center namin, si Latin Chi, Chenki, binigyan namin ng kumpiyansa talaga kami as a spiker and also yung kaila Coach Koji nga, yung mga dapat namin gawin sa loob ng court. Kaya po.
Thank you. And for Brooke, as mentioned, this is for you. This is your first finals appearance. How does it feel being able to achieve this with Petrogas?
Yeah, no, it feels very surreal. I mean, it's been a very long conference, and there's a lot of ups and downs, and to be where we are right now is amazing. And I wouldn't want to do it with any other team, and I'm so glad that my teammates, they're there for me at all times, and they're just a group of wonderful girls, and on and off the court, just awesome people, and I'm really excited to share this experience with them. Just going to the finals and everything. So, yeah, I'm ecstatic. Like, this is awesome.
Thank you. And for Chi, earlier this year na-mention mo na gusto mo nga talagang tulungan yung team to get that championship, and now you're one step or two steps closer to that one. How does it feel lang din na ito nga, nasa championship round na kayo?
Sobrang happy kasi lahat naman kaming teams dito sa PVL, parang pangarap na mag-champion. So, eto, andito kami, pinagtrabahuhan namin ng maayos, pinaghirapan. So, kami yung pinalad, sinuwerte. So, gagawa namin ito ng paraan, tatapusin namin ng maayos.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Chi, yun nga, ako lang na lang ng Petrogas, yung All-Filipino. Ngayong one series away na lang kayo from getting that championship. Ano na lang yung magiging mindset mo papasok ng finals?
Siyempre, andun pa rin yung mindset na kung paano i-distribute yung bola na maayos sa spikers, from receive to set, and then yung attack namin. And siyempre, lahat kami, mindset namin is to play, sabi ni Coach, 200% entering finals.
For Myla naman, yun nga, buong conference, naging maganda yung laro mo. Anong pakiramdam lang na natulungan mo yung Petrogas makabalik dito sa finals after 2 years?
Yun nga po, sobrang happy nga po na nasa finals na kami. Hindi lang naman ako yung nagtatrabaho, halos lahat din kami nag-step up. Kahit yung mga sub namin, sila at Chenki, gumawa din. So sabi ko nga, kung binigyan ako ng opportunity ni Coach to play na open, but hayaan ko pa na mawala. Kaya ginawa ko, binigay ko yung best ko, and also na kailangan ko din tulungan din si Brooke sa offense. And then I'm really happy din talaga sa mga setter ko na binibigyan ako ng kumpiyansa sa loob ng court.
For Myla and Chi, nanalo na kayo ng championships before sa PVL with Petrogas, and both those conferences may import kayong kasama. Gano'n lang kaiba yung feeling ngayon, yung fulfillment of reaching the finals, and this time with an all-Filipino team naman?
I think yung difference yun nga, may import kasi. So, ngayon mas mataas yung expectation kasi all-Filipino. So, this time we will do our very best. Ulitin ko, gaya ng sinabi ni Coach Koji, we will face and enter finals with our 200%.
Same question kay Mike. Anong pinagkaiba siguro ng pagdating sa finals this time na kumbaga all Filipino, walang import?
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Ate Chi na iba pa rin talaga pag all Filipino. Kasi syempre pag reinforce kasi hindi naman import ang gumagawa. Pero syempre sa all Filipino kasi lahat yan tulong-tulong as a team hanggang sa makuha namin itong finals. Yun nga sabi nga ni Coach Koji na hindi lang 1% is 200% talaga kasi nasa finals na kami, ba't bibitawan pa namin?
For Brooke, you already had, you're already the reigning MVP, you were already strong individually when you entered the PVL, but only the first time now that you're playing in the finals. So I guess, what was the biggest change that you noticed over the past year that you played with the Angels that you think was the missing link that finally led you here to the championship round?
Yeah, when I got here, everyone was doing their I feel like this conference is different. When we enter the practice gym, I feel like everyone has a different like aura and mindset to them, and we've just been pushing each other this whole time, and it's like, you know, just nonstop picking each other up when we're down and like helping, you know, spread words of affirmation and just, you know, helping each other out. So I feel like this conference we got to, at least like on my side, like getting to know all the girls better and just like building that team chemistry and family. So I thought that helped a lot through the years or the year. But yeah, I would say, yeah, it's just everyone's mindset coming in, and everyone wants it. Everyone wants to win. So it's just, you know, who wants to work harder and, you know, put in the effort, and who can, you know, perform in crunch time. So I'm really happy with the team. So everyone's doing great.
Coach, as mentioned, Petrogas is going to give their 200% in the finals. But for you personally, how will you just take this challenge of being the one who will coach Petrogas to another championship?
Yes, next time not 200%, 300%. Because we are challenger. Because we couldn't go to final last year. This time we have a chance. We are challenger. Just challenger.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Myla. Thank you,
Thank you
Brooke.
po.
Thank you, Mochi.
Thank you.
Congrats.